Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing good. So in today's video I'll show you how to get rid of this sound. I've done more videos like these where I work on my Himalayan and do some DIY stuff. So I'll put them up here on the screen and check them out after this video, and I'll put them in the I button over here. So with that, let's go. So where do you think the sound is coming from? Well, tightened this and checked, the sound was still there. I tightened my DIY jugaad, the sound was still there, and even before doing the DIY jugaad, the sound was there. If you have not seen the video yet, it's a video on how to raise the height of the handlebar by about 3 centimeters in under 300 rupees. So check it out if you haven't already. Then for the handguard, I tightened them as well. The sound still continued. Then I thought the sound is coming from the console, so I removed it. I checked if anything was loose. Nothing. The sound still continued. This thing, the Inkscape Dreams ka windshield, well, the sound was there before it had come to me, so definitely not this. And during all of this, I found out that the sound is coming from the headlight. You see this little gap over here? Wait, I'll show you. See the gap? Like there's a small gap in between the headlight and the base, so it makes this sound. So when you accelerate, basically it vibrates and creates that sound. So today I'm going to show you why that sound is caused and how to reduce that sound. For that we have to remove this screw over here and this one over here. Okay, so I'll do that and get back to you. Tools you'll need for today's job is some kind of a packing material, scissors, sellotape, maybe a smaller one, and a screwdriver. That's it. Okay, so after these two screws are removed from here and one from here on the side, just have to pull the headlight out, and this is the headlight unit. So what happens is that you see this metal lock kind of a thing which goes in over here, so over time basically this just widens up a bit, so there's more gap here and it then vibrates, because for the lower part of the headlight these two screws hold it tight properly for the lower part, and on the upper part, see on the headlight from here till here there's no other connection with the base rather than just this one connection over here. So over time this gets loose. If you're an expert, you can take a plier and pull this together, but I don't want to take that risk and I don't want to break this part, and because that will just create more problems. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to create some kind of a packing over here so that it doesn't vibrate as much and it stays there properly. So packing material which I had, take a rough measurement of cutting it. Okay, it's done. If you don't have a packing material, you can obviously use a double-sided tape. Okay, the packing material in like this, and I'm going to tape it down for now. I'm going to use ordinary sellotape to tape it down. I don't have the smaller sellotape, so I mean the smaller ones. So I'm just going to make use of these right now. So here's the sellotape. it looks something like this.
Once more! Once more! Once more!
And as you can see, there's no more of that tuck tuck sound coming in, even without the screws actually. Now you just have to put the 2 screws back in on both the sides and you're ready to go and enjoy your Royal Enfield Himalayan without any weird noises. Showing you again, there's no more of that tuck tuck sound. I'll also put on the bike and show you later. I'll just screw these ends first. So I'll turn on the bike now and show you how it sounds. Oh, hi there. There you go. Simple and easy. So there you go, a simple and easy DIY hack for that weird noise coming out from the front of your Himalayan. Also, if you want, you can put a packing like from here and here also from the inside, the similar way I've done over here. But I'm not doing that because just after doing this little bit of packing, the sound has disappeared, so I'm fine with it. And if on your motorcycle the sound does not disappear, then you can try packing over here as well on the sides from inside. So if you found this video helpful, do hit that like button. Subscribe if you're seeing this face for the first time. If you want to see more videos on my Himalayan, I've done a few more as I've said earlier in this video. Be sure to check them out. I'll keep them here in the I button. And here are the top comments of my previous 3 videos. Sorry, I've not been posting them for the past 3 videos, but here they are now. And if you want your comment to be featured next time, make sure to comment this time below. And yeah, I'll see you again in my next video. Take care and peace. And here are the
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
And
so please subscribe, whatever.